In this video, I'm exploring two groundbreaking augmented reality glasses released in 2024, the Meta Orion Smart Glasses and the Snapchat AR Spectacles. While neither of these devices is available to the public yet, they represent huge steps forward in AR technology. They're still limited in a lot of ways, but they give us a clear look at where AR could be headed. I want to start by laying out the AR landscape. We've got VR headsets that offer fully immersive experiences, but they're bulky and not exactly practical for everyday wear. On the other hand, smart glasses are lightweight and sleek, but they lack the processing power and capabilities needed for a true AR experience. AR glasses, like the Meta Orion and Snapchat Spectacles, aim to bridge that gap, providing a more natural and less intrusive experience that could potentially become part of our daily lives. Let's dive into the Meta Orion Smart Glasses first. This system is actually made up of three parts: the glasses themselves, a wireless computer puck, and an EMG wristband. The glasses are lightweight and transparent, letting you see digital elements overlaid onto the real world. In the demos, you'll see some impressive functionality, like scrolling through Instagram, managing multiple windows, and making video calls. They've also built in AI-powered object recognition, where the glasses identify ingredients on a table and suggest a smoothie recipe. And then there's the Shared Spaces demo, where two people wearing the glasses can play a 3D Pong game together in real time. One of the most intriguing parts of the Meta Orion setup is the EMG wristband. This device measures electrical impulses sent from your brain to your fingers, translating muscle movements into controls. Imagine scrolling through Instagram with just a hand gesture or even handwriting in the air. It's that precise. This wristband could seriously change how we interact with digital interfaces. In terms of technical features, Meta didn't hold back. The glasses come with 7 sensors and cameras to track your eye movements and map your environment. They use custom silicon to handle data processing and have batteries strategically placed for better weight distribution. The magnesium frame is lightweight yet rigid, and it doubles as a heat sink. However, there are some limitations. Right now, the battery only lasts 2 to 3 hours. It tends to overheat due to the compact design. The resolution isn't the best out there, and the field of view is capped at 70 degrees. These are areas that will need improvement if AR glasses are going to become mainstream. Moving on to the Snapchat AR Spectacles, these are a bit bulkier and more tech-heavy than Meta's glasses. They don't require a separate puck since they have a built-in computer. The design is made from black plastic with metal heat sinks, and they weigh in at 228 grams, which is noticeably heavier than the Meta glasses. The Snapchat Spectacles have some impressive display features though. The resolution is sharper and more detailed, almost on par with the Apple Vision Pro. But the field of view is smaller at 46 degrees, which limits immersion and peripheral vision. One unique feature is the electrochromic tint, which is similar to the sunroof in some Rivian vehicles. It can darken the lenses to improve readability and contrast, making it easier to see digital overlays in bright settings. Snapchat is marketing these AR spectacles as a developer kit, encouraging developers to create custom apps and lenses for the platform. The app ecosystem is already growing, with games, a browser, music creation tools, and shared space experiences available for users to explore. To wrap things up, I want to talk about the future of AR glasses. Both the Meta Orion and Snapchat AR Spectacles are early steps towards something bigger, but there are still significant hurdles, like battery life, resolution, and price, that need to be addressed before AR glasses can become a part of everyday life. That said, these devices are exciting glimpses into a future where augmented reality could transform how we interact with the world around us.